Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Huge, you should buy Shiba Inu coin before November 23rd, explained. With the rest of the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu had a tumultuous 2022, which saw the meme coin price fall by more than 75%. However, 2023 offers new hope in the form of positive Shiba Inu news. The community anticipates the release of Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution developed by the Shiba Inu team. The Shiba Inu price also shows bullish signs, indicating a rally could be nearing. In this video, we will talk about huge, you should buy Shiba Inu coin before November 23rd, explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The technical analysis from the daily time frame shows that the Shiba Inu price has fallen below a long-term descending resistance line since August 14th. The line caused numerous rejections in late October or early November, preceding a price collapse. However, the price action during the past 30 days has been bullish. The SHIB price has bounced at the $0.000080 horizontal support area, while the daily RSI has generated a bullish divergence. Moreover, the indicator has broken out from a descending resistance line and could soon move above 50. These are all considered bullish signs. While the daily time frame indicates that an upward movement will occur, the SHIB price is still trading below the descending resistance line. The trend cannot be considered bullish until it breaks out and reclaims the $0.00000098 resistance area. On the other hand, a daily close below $0.000078 could lead to a price plunge. Similar to the daily time frame, the 6-hour time frame provides a bullish SHIB short-term price prediction. There are two main reasons for this. Firstly, the SHIB price is trading inside a descending wedge, considered a bullish pattern. Secondly, the 6-hour RSI has generated a bullish divergence and moved above 50. The fact that the divergence occurs at the support line of a descending wedge increases its legitimacy. If a SHIB price breakout follows, the next resistance would be at $0.000102. This is very close to the previously outlined long-term resistance area. As a result, the reaction of the price once it gets there could determine the future trend. To conclude, due to bullish readings in both the daily and 6-hour timeframes, the most likely Shiba Inu price analysis is a breakout from the short-term wedge, which could initiate an upward movement of more than 20%. Afterward, the direction of the long-term trend is still unclear. Positive Shiba Inu news in the form of the release of Shibarium could aid this possibility. On the other hand, a daily close below $0.000078 would invalidate this bullish hypothesis. Shibarium Network, the official Twitter handle of the Shibarium blockchain, updates the community about the upcoming launch of the Shibarium Beta network. It hints that the launch of surrounding Shiba Inu's Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain solution is near. In the last 2 weeks, Shiba Inu core developers Satoshi Kusama and Trophius and the Shiba Inu ecosystem dropped several hints about the Shibarium Beta launch. Shibarium Network, in a series of tweets on January 5th, updated the community about the launch of the upcoming Shibarium Beta network. This is the first tweet about the Shibarium blockchain from its official Twitter handle. It also cleared the rising speculations regarding the involvement of other tokens in the network or tokens required to utilize the benefits. Shibarium Network confirmed that BONE would remain the only token selected for gas fees and use. Therefore, no other tokens will be required to operate within the ecosystem. Furthermore, Shibarium has been solely developed for Shiba Inu ecosystem. Other projects claiming association with the Shibarium for its operability dependency on any other tokens are false. The Layer 2 blockchain solution allows the community to innovate and evolve SHIB as an ecosystem. Thus, it will always support Shiba Inu and its growth. SHIB Army also noted that the Shibarium announcement section had been added to the Shiba Inu Discord. Several SHIB developers and influencers shared the announcement from the official Twitter handle. Shiba Inu's price is currently trading at $0.00000872, up over 5% in the last 24 hours. The SHIB price has seen massive trading volume amid the anticipated Shibarium Beta launch. Meanwhile, Shibarium's gas token, BONE, has skyrocketed 20% in the last 24 hours. The BONE price is currently trading at $1.12. The 24-hour low and high are $0.9124 and $1.12 respectively. Meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu ended 2022 failing to replicate the gains of the 2021 bull run. Overall, the asset was hammered by the crypto sector meltdown as incidents such as the FTX exchange collapse affected investor confidence. However, the machine learning algorithm at Price Predictions projects that SHIB is likely to extend the bearish trend across January 2023. According to the projection, the decentralized finance asset would likely trade at $0.000008036. The prediction represents a drop of about 1% from SHIB's price at the time of publishing. The forecast takes into technical account indicators such as Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD), Relative Strength Index (RSI), and Bollinger Bands (BB), among others. With the Price Predictions forecast highlighting a gloomy future for SHIB, the CoinMarketCap crypto community is bullish on the token's prospect. According to the community, SHIB will likely trade at an average price of $0.0001102 on January 31, 2023. By press time, Shiba Inu was trading at $0.0000082, with gains of about 1.6% in the last 24 hours to extend its sideways trading pattern. Shiba Inu's performance largely depends on how the general crypto sector price movement plays out. At the same time, the asset will rely on increasing network activity, like the accelerating burn rate aiming to improve SHIB's utility. Notably, SHIB's price has failed to replicate the impact of the network activity, although the token remains popular despite failing to rally. And this time, Shiba Inu emerged among the top 3 most watched cryptos for 2022 on the Binance Crypto Exchange. Shiba Inu is currently sitting in a strong support area. The prices tend to retrace higher every time they reach this area. The latter is delimited between a price of $0.0000075 and $0.0000090. SHIB can correct this further as the entire market is currently looking bearish. However, prices are bound to retrace higher and go back to the resistance price of $0.0000012. This should happen once the entire market goes back to its recovery. Shiba Inu ecosystem has always been in the hype since its inception. However, SHIB ecosystem tokens Shiba Inu Coin, Doge Leash, and Bone Shiba Swap Bone has registered a major price action in the last 24 hours after a major announcement made by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The global meme crypto market saw a major sell-off over the past few weeks. Amid this drop, the Shiba Inu ecosystem dropped a mysterious countdown link around the SHIB token. It informed the users to allow DNS to propagate correctly if the website is not loading. It is expected that Shiba Inu L1 is coming soon. At the same time, the SHIB army is anticipating that Leash and Bone will play a major role as utility there. Since the mysterious announcement, the world's second largest meme cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu coin price, has surged by over 7% in the last 24 hours. SHIB 24 hours trading volume has surged by 40% to stand at $223 million. The Bone price skyrocketed and jumped by 18% over the past 24 hours. Leash is trading at an average price of $341.5. Its 24 hours trading volume is up by 74% to stand at $1.1 million. However, Bone Shiba Swap has registered a whopping price surge in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Bone price skyrocketed by 35% in the last 24 hours. Bone is trading at an average price of $0.967. Its 24-hour volume is up by a massive 220% to stand at $18 million. On Tuesday, January 3rd, Shiba Inu popped up as Ethereum whales started scooping a large number of SHIB coins. Also, the SHIB price jumped on Tuesday due to a massive surge in the Shiba Inu burn rate. Over 182 million tokens were burned in just a matter of 24 hours. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.